explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 15th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is the conjunctions, right? So what are these conjunctions? Let me tell you first of all. So the words that are used to join the words, the group of words, or some kind of sentences are known as the conjunctions, because they are used to join the words and the sentences. They are also known as the joining words, right? So let us begin with the chapter and read more about these conjunctions. So let's read the definition first of all. So conjunction is a word that joins two or more words, phrases or clauses. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, they can join the words, the group of words or the sentences as well. Next, let's read the examples. So it is 2 and 2 make 4. Here and joins the words. So यहाँ पर and जो है वो words को join कर रहा है. Ice is cold, fire is hot. So ice is cold but fire is hot. Here but joins two sentences. अब यहाँ पर जो but है वो दो sentences को join कर रहा है, right? Next, we have some important conjunctions. अब कुछ important conjunctions भी यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं, जैसे कि and. So अब देखते हैं कि ये जो and conjunction है ये क्यों यूज किया जाता है. And is used to add two words, phrases or sentences. तो ये जो and है ये यूज किया जाता है दो words, phrases या फिर sentences को join करने के लिए. Example, slow and steady wins the race, right? Next, I am fond of novels and poems. Correct? Next, she came into the room and sat beside me. Right? Next, we have but. अब ये but क्यों यूज किया जाता है? So but is used to make a contrast. बट यूज किया जाता है दो ऑपोजिट आइडियाज को मैच करने के लिए, एक साथ ज्वाइन करने के लिए. एग्जाम्पल, रॉबिन इज ऑनेस्ट बट केयरलेस. ही वेंट टू द सिनेमा हॉल बट केम बैक विदाउट वॉचिंग द मूवी. ही इज फैट बट एक्टिव. नेक्स्ट वी हैव और. तो अब ये और क्यों यूज किया जाता है? लेट्स सी. सो और इज यूज्ड टू मेक अ चॉइस. और यूज किया जाता है चॉइस बताने के लिए, राइट? एग्जाम्पल, रन फास्ट और यू विल मिस द ट्रेन. करेक्ट? नेक्स्ट, pay in cash or by check. Come tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Right? Next, we have otherwise, unless or until. तो अब अगर बात की जाए otherwise, unless या फिर until के बारे में, so these conjunctions are used to express an alternative or a condition. तो ये जो conjunctions हैं ये यूज की जाती हैं किसी alternative या फिर किसी condition को express करने के लिए. So here we have a note which says, do not use any other negative word after unless and until. तो हमें कोई भी नेगेटिव वर्ड यूज नहीं करना है अनलेस या फिर until से पहले. So example says, Work hard, otherwise you will have to repent. Correct? Next, unless you feel sorry, the teacher will not pardon you. Next, wait here until he comes back. Right? Next, it is because. So let's see the uses of because. Because is used to show reason. अब because यूज किया जाता है reasons show करने के लिए. Example, the child is crying because he has lost his toy. Next, I can't play with you because I have to go for a party. Correct? Next, we have so. अब so क्यों यूज किया जाता है? So, it is used to say that the second idea is the result of the first. तो ये जो so है वो यूज किया जाता है सेकेंड आइडिया को एज अ रिजल्ट दिखाने के लिए फर्स्ट आइडिया का. राइट? एग्जाम्पल, सनी वॉज हंग्री so he ate all the biscuits. It rained this morning so the roads would be slippery. Right? So that was all about the chapter conjunctions. I hope you all are clear with them and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Hello my little learners, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 15th practice worksheet, right? So let us begin with the very first exercise of the worksheet, that is multiple choice questions. So it says, a conjunction joins two or more and the options are letters, words or paragraphs. So we all know that the correct option is words, right? Because conjunctions join two or more words. Then and is used to add dash words, phrases or sentences. तो and use किया जाता है add करने के लिए how many words, phrases or sentences, and the options are 2, 3 or 4. So it is 2 is the correct option. Then or is used to have a, and the options are request, choice or beauty. तो हम और का यूज कहाँ कहाँ करते हैं? So obviously we use or for choice. So we'll write choice over here. Correct? Then fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions given in the box. तो अब हमें blanks को भरना है suitable conjunctions का यूज करके जो कि हमें यहाँ box में दी गई है. Right? So let's move ahead. Such as, he is young dash handsome. He is young and handsome. It was a lovely shirt dash I liked it very much. So I liked it very much. You are not allowed to enter unless you remove your shoes. She did not drink her coffee because it was cold. David was absent because he was unwell. Hurry up or you would be late. You must eat fresh fruits and vegetables to remain healthy. You can eat chocos but not cake. Clear? Then Pick out the conjunctions in the following sentences. अब इन sentences में हमें conjunctions को underline करना है. So, let's begin with the first one, that is Sarina is very lazy and careless. So, and is the conjunction here. He is either mad or pretending to be mad. Or is the conjunction here. She was tired, so she took some rest. So, is the conjunction here. We can eat at home or go to a restaurant. Or is the correct conjunction. Take this amount or leave this place. Or is the conjunction, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all got the things and you all are clear with the things. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.